little windy, but sticking it out, catching the sunset. Beautiful day on the lake if it wasn't so windy. The lake is still full of people though. Love to see it. People there. That's kind of where I wanted to be, is over here, but because of this thick snow getting me stuck in my two-wheel drive, it's not working. So I got a spot where the first fish I marked. Me too. And there goes the city on the lake, straight out of Bel Air. There's the boat launch and the road. Hopefully people don't go flying by me all night the next couple days.